Hi, my name is Paula Nowak, and I teach Acting 1, Acting 2, Directing, and Musical Theater in the Fine Arts Department. Sneezing into your hands can spread germs to anything and anyone that you touch. But sneezing into your sleeve can reduce the amount of germs spread through the air or through direct contact with another person.
Ew! Yeah.
Now you know. The Explain Everything app is easy to use. I just can't seem to export my project. All that exports is the recording I did on one of my slides that I would like to get rid of anyway. But we solved that problem. Yay!